Hi guys, I'm Nisha from Perfect Homes. Today I'm here at Huen Por Liang. So I would like to show you guys the unit that we would like to sell. So it is on the second floor. They have total 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. The total in the space is 150 square meters. It's really nice. I would like to tell you a little bit of this condominium. So it's called Huen Por Liang. The location is behind the CMUs. It's really near Wat Umong. It's like a Umong temple. It's really popular. And then here it is really near the 7-Eleven as well. And then the facility here is they have swimming pool and then the security 24-hour. If you guys can see, the building behind me is only low life. They have only 6 floors. Normally the unit is a duplex unit, so it doesn't have a lot of unit that much. If you can see, it's really near nature, near the mountain, and really quiet space here. So I would like to show you guys the room. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here at the room already, so come on in. So this room is on the second floor, so I will show you guys around. Let me close the door. So behind me is the kitchen area. So they have 2 countertops, and then they have some storage, so you can put all the stuff inside, so it's not messy around, you know. And then they have a really big refrigerator. They have an oven, and then they have an electricity hob, and then the hood as well. So when you cook, it doesn't smelly anything. So I'll show you guys around. So as right here, in front of me is a powder room. So they have a toilet, and then the cleaning hands are for the people who come to use a quick restroom. And then after that, they have a storage to put the stuff inside here under the step. And then behind here they have a really big living areas, and then actually they have like a countertop for the eating food as well right here. So you can like quick meal here from the kitchens and then bring here, and then all either. Would you like to have a big table with your family, having a dinner with your family and your friends? This is the good place for that as well. So I would like to mention again, so this room is sold with some of the furniture, some of the decorations. The owner might take it out, so it's better you guys come to see it. And then right here is a balcony, so you guys can open and then enjoy the nature sounds, and then either have some like coffee in the morning as well. It's really good. I'll show you guys a living area. So here is the living areas. I really like it because it's like an open air. So as I mentioned, this room is a duplex, so this is a really high ceiling. So you can see it's like only one fan, and then it can make the whole room a little bit cozy. Yeah, this is sofa. And then I want to mention you something. So this is the fireplace. This one can use as well. This area that the locate of the condo is a really near mountain, so that's why in the winter it's a little bit cold. So that's why this fireplace can use as well. So it's make you a little bit warm. So how do you like it? Let me show you guys upstairs. So now I'm at the second floor of this condominium. So as I mentioned before, so they have 3 bedrooms and then 3 bathrooms. So in the second floor it has 3 bedrooms and then 2 bathrooms. So this is the master bedroom. So it's really big, good size, reasonable, really big window. I really like it because you can get the nature's views and then nature lights coming into your bedroom while you sleep. Alright, let me show you guys different parts of the bedroom. So here's the closet, really big. You can put all the clothes in here, and then after this, they have a bathroom which is with the rain showers. The water is the water hot and cold water system, so you can pick and choose. Alright, so let me show you guys the list, right? So this is the hallway to go to another 2-bedroom, but I show you guys another bathroom first. So it is like a really small but reasonable size, but they have a bathtub as well. And right here is a little bit of the closet. You can open and put all your stuff. Here's another bedroom, but the owner, he turned to be like a living area, so they put some like little bit like not style of the sofa, so you can watch the TV or read a book in here. So it's really comfy. You can see. Alright, I'll show you the last room. So we're gonna show you guys another last bedroom. So here we go. So this is another bedroom, but actually the owner, he turned to be a working room as well. So you can turn to be a different room as well, like a working room or another bedroom for your family. And it's one thing I really like is the really big window, and then the nature light from outside. It's look pretty, isn't it? So what you guys think about Huen Por Liang, that's condo that I show you? So it's really nice, isn't it? So I just want to mention for you again. So this is 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom, 150 square meters. The room that I show you guys is on the 2nd floor. I would like to mention again, this is condo is a low life, so it's only 6 floors. That's it. And it's really near the CMU as well, so it's really good locations. If you would like to see the room, please call me on this phone number and I'll show you the room. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel on Perfect Home, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you. Bye.